What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on M. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what are the exact setups that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end, because in the long run we are here in a nice uptrend. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here we are currently testing this very important bullish order block, which is between levels 2.05 and 1.89. The main setup that I'm currently waiting for will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under this area, and then I want to wait here for a support confirmation. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume the stop loss will have around 8.79% of a net market. Of course, ideal scenario will be also wait here for a liquidity grab under this previous low as well, but this is not the main condition. And the last take profit targets you can then place, in my opinion, to a new all-time high. So here we can speculate under like $4 mark, something like that, which can give you a potential profit up to 105% of a net market and potential stop loss around 8.6%. This can give you risk reward ratio up to 12.23, which is in my opinion really great, but keep in mind that in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take in this first bearish order block area, which is between levels 2.15 and 2.04 approximately, then something under this very important resistance area, which is between levels 2.7 and 2.34, then something above, and then for example you can wait for a liquidity grab above that $3 mark, which is next important psychological resistance. Then you can take some of the profits here, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 8 something like that, which is in my opinion really great potential setup. You can see that this coin is still relatively new, but from the launch on multiple exchanges we have here a profit around like 5,400% of a net market. So in my opinion the bullish momentum here is really great. So yeah, if there will be that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, this can be actually a great long entry. If there will be a huge drop, you can watch this bullish order block on a 12-hour chart, because like in the long run this is very important support area, and if there will be a drop around like 40% of a net market, you can actually use this as a limit order. So if you are thinking where I think like there will be a great long opportunity, in my opinion it will be in this bullish order block area. So if there will be another, let's say, liquidation event in the whole crypto market, this is a perfect area where you can place your limit order. To be honest, I don't think we are gonna get here, and the main reason why I'm showing you the 12-hour chart is actually this bearish order block, because if there will be eventually breakout with the support confirmation of this area, you can use that setup that I was talking about on a 4-hour chart. You can enter here a long position. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if after support confirmation there will be breakdown, we are risking resistance confirmation, which means the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. Last take profit target you can place under that $4 mark, which is, as I said, the after we will break the current all-time high. This is next important psychological resistance. So this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 3.5. I know this is not the best risk reward ratio. If you want, you can have here, let's say, more risky trade with like a lower stop loss, but in my opinion this stop loss is kinda safe. So even with like 3.5 risk reward ratio, this is a pretty decent setup. So if there will be like breakout with a support confirmation of this area, this is a setup that I would personally take. And if you want to take here, let's say, really short term setup, you can wait here for a liquidity grab with a support confirmation of this bullish order block on a 1-hour chart. This is between levels 1.96 and 1.89. And here again you want to place your stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit target above this bearish order block area, so above the high 2.34. This can give you risk reward ratio up to 5.24 with multiple take profit targets. It will be lower, of course, but your stop loss will be probably around like 3.5% of a net market, so the risk reward ratio can be actually 6. And the reason why I'm talking about this is actually a 12-hour chart, because if there will be like this pump, we will get above this kind of important bearish order block. So in this case, you can actually ignore this bigger order block, but you can actually wait here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this area. And then you want to place your stop loss just under this. So your stop loss will be like 6.6% of a net market. Your last take profit target you will place under that $4 mark, which will then give you risk reward ratio up to 10. So if you want to trade this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart, this is another potential setup how to trade it. Okay guys, these are all the setups that I am currently watching on this coin. As I said, right now I wouldn't buy it. The closest setup that we can get here is either that liquidity grab with a support confirmation on a 1 hour, which is exactly this setup, so something like this, or a liquidity grab with a support confirmation on a 4-hour chart, from which you want to speculate under that $4 mark, something like that. And if you want to see more analysis about this altcoin, definitely let me know in the comments, because this is the first time that I am doing analysis on this coin, and it's usually a big success or like nobody is interested. So yeah, I will be really interested in your opinion. So if you want me to do more analysis about this coin, as I said, let me know in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today, and if you want to get access to my daily analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.